Hey y'all, it's Alec with Sharing the Journey. Today we're going to do the dreaded RV maintenance. Now, it seems like every week or so we come up with a different maintenance project. The problem we're having this week, or as Cindy's been complaining about for the past 2 months, is that our drain in our shower is draining very slow. I've noticed it too. Matter of fact, we'll come down here and look. You can see that even if I clean the shower, there's a ring around the bottom because that's where the water ends up filling up to while you're taking a shower. So I'm gonna use the same tools that I used when we lived in the sticks and bricks, and I'm gonna take the drain cover off. I'm gonna clean the hair out of it. I don't know where the hair is coming from. If you look at the top of my head, I'm sure you can see that I've got a full head of hair just like a teenager. So I'm not saying that we're gonna pull a lot of long hair that would be evidence of maybe a female losing hair. I'm not gonna go there and get in trouble. So let me show you what tools we'll be using, and then I'm going to let the water run for a little bit to show you how bad the draining is, and then we'll get in and get her fixed. Okay, so the only 2 tools we're going to need is a standard Phillips head screwdriver. You can pick these up anywhere. This is a Spec Ops, so it must be military grade, huh? I think I got that for like $2.50 at Harbor Freight, or maybe off of Amazon. And then I've got the drain rooter. I like the 18-inch. Matter of fact, this is the same one that I had underneath my kitchen sink at our house in Eastover, South Carolina. And that's been cleaning drains for me for about 10 years. So let me show you how the water fills up, and then we'll get started on cleaning her out. As you can see, the drain or the shower has been running for approximately 1 minute. You can see that the water is not draining well at all. Let's get started cleaning this out. So it took approximately 7 minutes for the water to drain out of the shower. So the goal is I'm going to remove the strainer right there, and with that I'll use a Phillips head screwdriver. And then I'll use the drain rooter and pull the debris out of there. So let me get everything set up and we'll explore the drain. So we'll start with removing the center screw with the Phillips head screwdriver. And you can see just with the screw all the hair and gunk that is wrapped around there. I will clean that off. Here is the strainer, and then if you look down in there, you can see all the gunk. So we take the wand, stick it down there, and look at all the junk. So what I do is I put a paper towel down here. I remove the crud. And all the hair, and oh my gosh, there is some short hair in here too, so maybe I am part of the problem.
Is it getting that?
Yeah, it's getting it. So let me finish this up. I'll bring you back and show you how much stuff comes out of the drain, and then we'll put it back together and run it. So I've already gotten this much out, and the drain rooter does a real good job. You stick it in here, you figure out which way their pipe goes. So my pipe goes that way, and see, I can put it all the way down, spin it around a little bit, and then pull it out, and you can see all this nastiness that is coming out of the drain. And you'll probably have to do this 15 or 20 times to get all this hair out. And then when we get through, we will clean the tub up and show y'all. Oh wow, look at this right here. Now, I think it's only been 3 months since we cleaned this out. Now, keep in mind that it's not only us taking showers. This is from all the lint and stuff that comes off our laundry, because we put our laundry machine draining down into the tub. So we have all the lint off the clothes, all the dog hair off the clothes, all the lint off the towels. So let me finish this up and I'll bring you back. Okay, I just used a cup to run some water through. I think it's running pretty good, but I've got some cleaning to do. This is all the stuff that was in that drain. As you can see now, before, all you could see was black down there. I've got it all cleaned out. Now I've got to clean this mess up, and I'll bring you back to put it back together and to show you how well it drains. So I've got the general mess cleaned up. I will use Comet Soft Scrub to clean the whole tub up afterwards and to test it for draining. Put the cap, put the screen back on. I need to find a screen that is got smaller holes that will catch more. You stick the standard screw in. And I'm going to list all this stuff in the About More section. We put my Amazon affiliate links in there so you can get you a drain snake and anything else you feel like you want to get yourself. We appreciate it. It helps us get on down the road with a little bit of money. But it's put back together. Both these will be wiped down with alcohol swabs or alcohol things before I store them. So let me get the soft scrub out. I will get this cleaned up and then we'll come and watch and see how she drains. Okay, so we got it all cleaned up. I used the Comet Soft Cleanser with bleach. It's not a my wife cleaned it clean, but it is a, hey, that man gave it a good try clean. So let's run the water. She's draining like she's supposed to. I call that a win. So I think I did pretty good. Got the drain all cleaned up. In all, it took me about 40 minutes. I really had to dig the crud out of there, and Cindy and I were talking. Say hey, Cindy.
Hi.
And we believe a lot of that fine gooey substance was in there is from all the lint and dog hair from like when we wash our socks and stuff, because our laundry machine drains into the shower. And then so I think I'm gonna have to start cleaning it a little bit more often, but I pretty much just clean it until I get tired of splashing around in the water while I take a shower. And I'm gonna go take a shower. Hey Cindy, you want to join me in the shower?
It's not big enough, bag.
So anyway, all the products I used today, the screwdriver, the drain snake, and the Comet and stuff, I'm gonna list down in the About section or the More section. I ask that you please use our affiliate link. Thank you. And you can always use a search bar if you don't need a drain snake and find what you do need. Till next time, safe camping out there. Join us for more camping adventures.